Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into how AI is revolutionizing our everyday lives. From the moment we wake up to the time we hit the bed, AI is there making things easier and more efficient. First up, let's talk about virtual assistants. Think Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant. They're not just setting reminders or playing your favorite tunes anymore. These smart helpers are learning your habits, predicting needs, and even managing smart home devices. Imagine your coffee brewing itself as you wake up, or your thermostat adjusting to the perfect temperature, all thanks to AI. Next, AI in healthcare is groundbreaking. From early disease detection to personalized treatment plans, AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of data way faster than any human could. For instance, AI-driven apps can now interpret medical scans with incredible accuracy, assisting doctors in making more informed decisions. This means quicker diagnoses and better patient outcomes. Transportation is another area seeing huge AI advancements. Self-driving cars, anyone? These vehicles use AI to understand and react to their environment, promising safer and more efficient travel. Not to mention AI-powered traffic management systems that reduce congestion and cut down on your commute time. Education is also getting an AI boost. Personalized learning experiences are now possible, adapting to each student's pace and understanding. This isn't just about making learning more efficient, but also making it more engaging and customized to individual needs. And let's not forget about AI in entertainment. From movie recommendations to AI-generated music, our leisure time is becoming more tailored to our tastes. Platforms like Netflix and Spotify use AI to suggest content you'll love, keeping you hooked and entertained. The future? Even more integration. AI will continue to evolve, becoming an even bigger part of our daily routine. It's not just about making life easier, it's about enhancing our experiences and opening up new possibilities. So next time you interact with an AI, take a moment to appreciate how much it's transforming your life. Exciting times ahead. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.